Are you looking for the best gaming desks? In this video we will look at some of the best gaming desks. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bestier L-shaped gaming desk. The Bestier L-shaped gaming desk is my top choice, and it can be purchased at Walmart. Available in red or black, the Bestier L-shaped gaming desk measures 56.6 inches and is pretty affordable at just under $150. I have a fondness for L-shaped designs in general, because they offer plenty of space for a keyboard, mouse, and other accessories, without taking up a full wall in a room. This desk also features a writing table you can use to house 2 or 3 gaming monitors. As a bonus, this desk comes with useful accessories, a 47-inch laptop stand, LED lighting strips, a cup rack, and a headphone stand. The carbon fiber matte black surface is a nice, modern touch. Overall, this is an excellent desk for gaming that also works well as a home office. Black computer desk. Bestier L-shaped desk has 3 assemblyways: 55-inch L desk, 72 long desk, 236 small desks, ideal for home office, studying and gaming. Purchase 2 to create a cool U-shaped workstation. LED computer desk. Gaming desk with LED lights brings you amazing gaming vibes. 7 main colors, 20 dynamic modes to design your room. Corner gamer desk. Our ergonomic computer desk with 36-inch stand keeps your screen at comfortable eye-level height, effectively preventing back and neck pain throughout workdays. Headphone hook and cup holder can be set at left or right sides. Sturdy and durable material. Wooden desktop is made of 15mm P2 particle thickened panel. Sturdy X-shaped legs ensure maximum durability and stability, bearing more than 250 pounds. Round corner in the middle is suitable for wall corner and prevents scratches occasionally. Easy assembly. 2 adults are recommended to assemble this L desk. Bestier offers excellent and friendly customer service before and after your purchase, 1-year quality guarantee. Please feel free to contact us for any problem. We will solve within 24h and make you satisfied. Number 2. Atlantic Original Carbon Fiber Gaming Desk. The Atlantic Original Carbon Fiber Gaming Desk is another great option if you're in the market for a space-saving gaming desk. This compact desk embodies the definition of ergonomic, and PVC laminate delivers durability for years to come. Plus, right now this gaming desk is currently on sale at Walmart. Measuring just under 50 inches, this desk features a detachable monitor stand, a cable management system, a phone charging station, a headset hook, a cup holder, a power strip holder, speaker trays, and more. It can hold gaming monitors up to 32 inches wide with a weight of 40 pounds or less. Right now, you can pick up this dedicated gaming desk for under $60. The functional design works well for gamers who prioritize organization and value. Heavy checkmark. Versatile, large one-piece carbon fiber laminated desktop offers ample of workspace, ideal for gaming, working and studying. Heavy checkmark. Versatile, large one-piece carbon fiber laminated desktop offers ample of workspace, ideal for gaming, working and studying. Heavy checkmark. Flexibility, elevated/detachable monitor platform can support 27-inch monitor up to 40 pounds, or use dual monitor arm instead. Heavy checkmark. Space Smart, detachable speaker stands moved speakers off the desktop to free up additional workspace. Elevated tablet/smartphone stand holds your smart devices secured while charging. Heavy checkmark. Convenience, detachable video game organizer rack that can keep your game controllers and game discs organized, and finally a cup holder and a hook to hang your headset. Number 3. Ikea Fredde Gaming Desk. The Ikea Fredde is an excellent multi-use desk for both work and gaming. IKEA is known for its range of flatback furniture, and countless websites show you how to hack the design basics. While the Fredde is undoubtedly basic, it has features that are great for gamers, like off-the-floor shelves for your tower, printer, and speakers. Patented innovative design, unique combination of music-sensing RGB LED lighting effects and cool glass desktop provides a full spectacle as your desk, lights, and music all sync. This revolutionary GTGL60 lights-up glass desk design from Eureka offers ultimate atmosphere for gaming, music studio, home office, content creating, birthday, Christmas and New Year gifts, indoor decorations, etc. Music sensing LED effects. 27 music sync modes allow you to infuse your gaming experience with synced RGB lighting, multicolor static mode, 10 spectrum cycle mode and sleep mode also equipped. Music sensibility, color changing speed and light intensity all adjustable for comfortable visual treat. Smart app control, available for both Android and iOS, and simple button control available. Large reversible L-shaped desk, install desk in left or right side shape depending on your space. Its 60-inch large size, 60-inch WX42/8DX30H, allows you to arrange your gaming monitors, keyboard, and other gaming gears according to your needs. Innovative frame design with a hidden strengthened structure provides even larger space under desk for leg rest and storage. Reliable support, 6mm thick, deep tempered glass desktop that's waterproof and heat resistant. Custom-grade carbon steel frame with premium powder-coated protective finish ensures sturdy and durable performance. Strengthened structure bears higher load of up to 155 pounds. Note, monitor mount, keyboard tray and light projector not compatible. Accessories upgrades, cup holder, headphone hook, power strip holder, and cable ties included.